Hi, tita. Happy birthday. Stay safe always. God bless.
Hala, dagan kaya ako.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Manihati nga tao.
Uy.
Happy birthday. May your special day be as bright and beautiful as your smile.
Happy birthday, tita.
God bless.
Ano to, te?
Hi, tita. Happy birthday. God bless always. Thank you for being the best tita in the world. Uy, nagilap. Happy birthday. Hi, sis. Wow. Happy 50th birthday sa imo. Lalo no, dili ra gyud makuan ang panahon ba panagid ka na naka sa Golden Girl. Pero sige lang kay dili man halata nga Golden Girl na. Because sis akong message sa imo is that or prayer sa imo that God blesses you with abundant joy, peace, and good health in this new year of your life. May His favor surround you and His love fill your heart always. Ayan sis, I'm richly blessed to have you as my sister-in-law. Like you who loves so selflessly. Salamat kaayo sa tanan sis, sa imong kamaayo, sa amo sa tanan, walay pili. And I hope you enjoy your birthday. God bless.
Hi my love, so as you can see in the background we have some wood stuff and we have your dearest brother trying to come up with a script, trying to review every birthday message he has in plan. So basically what I'm trying to show you is that you are well loved from your family to friends, from me, and I just want to wish you a happy 50th birthday. It is important that you enjoy your day and you spend it with the people you love and the places you want to go with, and you just enjoy your day. So once again, happy 50th birthday, mommy love. I love you, we miss you, and I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.
Hello, Mommy Love. Happy 50th birthday. I hope you're doing well and making the most of your day with Tito J, Kuya, and Chloe. I wish you nothing but good health, happiness, and more travels as you celebrate this special milestone. Can't wait to see you again and go on another trip together soon. Love you, Mommy Love. Enjoy your day.
Len, happy 50th birthday. No? Bisan pa man ikaw ang among kawanghuran, but you've always been the heart of our family. No? And your love and your kindness have touched us all. No? And also, your heart is as big as ever. No? Dili na lang nako i-detalye kung yun sa nimo pag-care ang naa sa patag, ang naa sa taguluan kaniadto, og apil na po din sa baloy. No? Once again, happy birthday and enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Nina!
Happy birthday, tita.
Happy birthday, Len!
Happy birthday, Mama Ellen.
Hi, Len! This song is for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Len! Sana naman hindi ka magtago sa birthday mo. Kasi 50 years mo na kaming pinagtataguan. Every year na lang.
Happy birthday!
Papansin ka naman dyan, sister!
We're waiting for the pizza.
Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Mo ka side birthday man dai nimo. Menteng na ako diha. Lagi 50 naman ka. Saan? Dako bang selebrasyon? Pasensya na ha. Kay di man ginato maibaw ang kakulian. Muwes na ko nimo happy birthday from California with love in here. Happy 50th birthday and see you soon. Pakan agyud ko day. Di gani ko pakan nimo magniwang gani ko kayo sala. Happy birthday.
Hey, 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 look who's turning 50. Happy 50th, Ellen. Welcome to the grand age. Welcome to the golden age, as we always call it. But the age is just a number. What matters most is how you live your life and make this world a better place. Yeah? So I hope to see you soon. And what can I say? Welcome to the 50 world. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, sis! Welcome to the club ng mga 50s na. Malapit na tayong dumating dun sa senior citizen. Not too many years from now, kukubra na tayo ng mga pension natin. But anyway, I hope you're having a good time. And bukas ang iyong actual na birthday. I hope you will have a grand celebration. And may God bless you always sa mga endeavors mo sa buhay. Lalo-lalo na sa pagiging wife kay Victor, sa kumpare ko na napakabait. At ganun din sa pagiging nanay kay Jan. I hope you will have a nice birthday celebration, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, sis. I love you. And just remember, dito ako lagi, kahit anong mangyari, body tayo. Hindi man tayo lagi nakakapag-usap dahil sa busy-busy natin at toxic sa trabaho. Pero please always remember, andito ako. I'm just a phone, text, or a call away. Just enjoy life and stay happy and be healthy all the time. If you need us, please let us know. Okay? I love you. Have a good
Happy birthday! God bless you! Bye-bye!
Sorry.
Happy 18th birthday, mommy. Love you always. Thank you for everything you've done for me and for the family. And most importantly, we thank God for everything that He's done for us. So, God bless. I love you. And a quick message from my best employee.
Happy 18th birthday. Thank you so much for making such a beautiful human being. He makes you very proud every day.
Birthday to the love of my life. Every moment with you is a blessing. May your birthday be as wonderful as you are. You deserve all the happiness in the world. Happy birthday.